An application can configure the device for data when device have configuration capabilities. So automatically an application program can set up the device for the data when device have setting capabilities. Configuration capabilities is nothing but a setting capabilities. For example, the system can configure device to send data at defined periodic intervals. The system can set up the devices to send data and defined periodic intervals. Whatever the periodic intervals you are suggesting, the data can be sent based on the configurations. Each device configuration controls the frequency of data generation. So every device setup controls the frequency of data generation. Whatever the data you have generated through the devices, whatever the data transmitted based on device configurations. Application can configure sending of data after filtering or enriching at the gateway at the data adoption layer. So by using this application, we are configuring the sending of data after filtering or enriching. As we know, what do you mean by filtering or enriching? Filtering means identifying the easy way at the gateway at the adoption layers. Data adoption layer, we are identifying in which route it has to be transmitted. The gateway in between the application and the device can provision for one or more following functions. So if you are using the gateway in between applications, if you are using the applications in every internet applications, we are using the gateways, and by using these gateways, devices can provision one or the following functions, that is the transcoding, data management, and device management. Transcoding means conversion of one form to another form. Data management, how that after the conversion, how we have to manage those data, and device management, and how that data can be managed through that device. Data management may be provisioning for the privacy and security. So you are suggesting as data management may be provisioning of privacy and security, and data integration, compaction, and fusion. So here the data management suggesting as the privacy and security policy. Whenever you are sending the data is not supposed to be identified by any hackers. So here it comes the privacy and security matters. Also the data integrations, whether any data is getting duplicate or not, and compactions, a large data has to be compaction. In the sense, compaction means a large data can be compressing, and fusioning. These are the functionals of data management. Device management softwares. Let us see what is the device management. Device management software provision for the device ID. By using this device management softwares, we are identifying which device you are using, what are the ID of that device, activations and setups, configuring, managing device parameters and settings. So configuration in the sense setups, registering, deregistering, attaching and detaching. So by using this device management, we are identifying your device and your device activations and your device setups, as well as whether that device is registered or deregistered, whether it is attached or detached. So these are the functionals of device management. And next our concept is data validation. Data acquired from the device does not mean the data are correct, meaningful or consistent. So whenever the data acquired from the device doesn't mean that data are correct or meaningful or consistent. Data consistency means, once again it comes as a consistency. Data consistency means with expected range data or as per pattern or data not corrupted during transmission. So in the data consistency means within the range or within the pattern, or data should not be corrupted. Data not corrupted during transmission.